Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Been away from the camera for a little while. We're here in isolation, day number whatever, I don't know. It's been a while. Been working from home. This is my work from home and office setup here, and I'll take you for a tour of that in a little while. But as y'all can tell with this shotgun mic, and I'm going to pull a lavalier mic out in a minute, it echoes real bad in here. So what I'm going to try to do today is we're going to try to make sound absorption panels or sound dampening panels with some ordinary inexpensive artist canvas, and we ordered some sound insulation. This is kind of thin and all, so we're going to try it on the walls. We're going to try 8 of the little panels over here and 2 big panels over here, and see if we can eliminate some of the noise in here, some of the echo, kind of deaden it. And just takes a few tools, a little bit of paint, some 3M adhesive strips, and we're going to show you how we do it. So y'all stay with us. All right, this is the second test. This is with a lavalier mic that I've got on right here. And I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, hear a difference in it. Back on there. Anyway, this is a sound test in the room here with the lavalier mic, and we'll see how bad it rings. And hopefully when we get these up on the wall, it'll eliminate some of that. So let's try that. All right, we got a step to do here. We got to clean the wall because we're going to hang the panels with 3M command strips, and we don't want them to fall off and everything. So take some 70% isopropyl alcohol and just clean the wall. This gets rid of any dirt, dust, grease, grime, dog hair, nuclear waste. Disinfects your hands, your nose, the whole bit. So we've got the panels downstairs. We paint them with the same wall color. Thank goodness we had some. And I've already cut the sound dampening insulation, and we will put them together next and try to hang them on the wall and see if it makes a difference in here. Okay, we're back. Got a coat of gray paint on the panels, and you see they're just ordinary little artist canvas. And let me reach over and grab one of these. And I've took a razor knife or a utility knife and cut the insulation or sound dampening insulation, I guess what you call it. We're going to put some 3M command strips on here like this, where they're just Velcro on the inside, and put them up there. And what I've done, center point of the wall, 3'9", come up 2 foot, because we're going to have a 2 foot by 4 foot panel right here. This wall, 1 foot 4.5 inches to the center. So there's the center point of my first tile. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And we're going to level this first one up, put a second one on, level it up, and just put them all together and go straight down with it. So we'll get started on that right now. Go right here. And very simply just put, if I can find what I did wrong. And if you go to buy these from Amazon, they're a whole lot cheaper to buy them loose instead of in a pack. And there'll be a parts list of everything I got here. All right. So now I'll just take the other 4 little pieces of paper off and level it up on the wall. Let me turn the camera back around. Yeah, my work table's a mess. I gotta fix that. Lay you right there. I hope this really works. If not, we'll try something else. Okay, so I've got all 4 strips on there. Doesn't matter which side I put it on. You crazy thing. Okay, that's one, and it's level, smushed up on there. Okay, I have 4 foot, 4 inches, 4 foot, 4 inches and 5/8, 4 and 5/8, and 4 and 5/8. So it's parallel with the molding. So now we'll just go through and do the rest of them, and I'll speed it up for that. Okie dokie. We'll set up a little assembly line here and just knock them out. Should already have this done, but we'll speed up the footage here. All right, we got all the 3M strips on, so we'll just go through and start putting them on the wall. Trying to keep everything as straight and level as we can. Gotta remember to put a pad in here. dead center. All right. So it should just be able to fill the wall up now. If I did my math right, which I hope I did. So I'll speed this up while I do this. All right. I don't think it looks too bad. I mean, I hope it's working on the sound part of it. We will see. We'll go ahead and get these other two. Now these are just canvas that Tanya had for something she was going to do, and she's letting me use them for this. But we'll put two of these on the wall over on the other wall because it's bigger, and hopefully the sound will not reverberate between the two walls like it is now. Although it may have quietened it up a little bit. But we'll get started on this one and add those, and we'll check the sound afterward. And while we're doing this, it'd be a good time to go ahead and hit that subscription. Hit subscribe down there. Hit the little bell to be notified when I put out a video. Give me a like if you like this kind of stuff. Just stuff we've been doing, home projects and how-to and stuff while we've been working. And I'll go ahead and show you. It's a little bit messy right now, but this is my work area that I've been working from home. Those are all my patents that light up on the wall, but I got my Hackintosh with 3 monitors. I got a 24 and two 22s, Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, and this is where I've been spending most of my time. And then on this wall, I've got my TV with my keyboard mouse combination hung there, and all my networking gear, UPS and all that stuff. It's kind of messy in there, but it works. Storage and rest of my toys and electronics center and all that stuff. This is where I've been spending my time for the last 5 weeks, so 6 weeks, whatever. But anyway, we'll come back when we get the other panels up. All right, so as you can see, we have the sound panels on the wall here. I think they look pretty good. And let me turn this around. We got the 2 large panels on this wall. And so I'm going to sit down right here at the computer. I turned that completely wrong too. I cannot see what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So I wish I would have taken the sound panels back off and did a sound check, but I'm going to pull the very first part of this video that I made where I'm sitting here with the shotgun mic or no, I'm going to do it with the lavalier mic and see if there's any difference in the sound quality. I'm going to unhook this one and go back to the shotgun mic in just a second and see if there's any difference. And then tell me in the comments if you can hear a difference. Being in here right now, there's a real bad storm brewing up. So you're probably going to hear some wind and stuff, but it seems to me that it deadened it a little bit. So, all right, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. I'm gonna go away and hook the shotgun mic up. All right, so you can see that I have the lavalier unhooked here, and this is just a shotgun mic on top of the tripod. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. It seems to be not as echoey, not as reverby, bouncy, something. Let me hook back to this one. As y'all can tell with this shotgun mic, and I'm gonna pull a lavalier mic out in a minute, it echoes real bad in here. All right, this is the second test. This is with a lavalier mic that I've got on right here. And I don't know if y'all can hear that or not, hear a difference in it. Get back on there. Anyway, this is a sound test in the room here with the lavalier mic. All right, so we're back on the lavalier mic. And if I say testing 1 2 3, sounds pretty dead to me, although I'm still live. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to end it right there. There's 1,000 ways to do this. There's 1,000 materials to do it. Probably more than that. Anyway, I'll link a few videos that I've watched that I really enjoy, and there's a couple of them I really enjoy watching because they put a lot of time and effort into this. A whole lot more than I do. But anyway, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share it with your friends if you want to. If you have a room that you want to deaden, let's talk about it in the comments. Anyway, I hope everybody's staying safe, staying well, and use some common sense while you're out there. That's one of the big ones because not a lot of that going on. I'm glad you took time to watch the video. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.